Hello, Mark. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
Me too. I haven't seen you for ages. Where have you been?
You know, I've entered Christchurch University in Canterbury.
Really? That's amazing. Are there any differences between the education in Russia and in the UK?
I think there are some. Nowadays, more and more people enter the university rather than start their career right after they finish school. This is Mark. He has just graduated from Cambridge University, which is very prestigious. He has a degree in history. Cambridge University was founded in 1209 and it is divided into 31 colleges. Each of these colleges has their own chapel, library, and dormitories for students. Whether you are accepted to the university depends on the results of your A-level exams. The education in the university is not free, so it attracts a lot of wealthy people. Cambridge University is one of the leading universities in the world. Another world-famous university is in Russia. It is called Lomonosov Moscow State University, MSU. It was founded in 1755. This university is one of the most prestigious in the world. People who graduated from MSU took the leading positions in their professional spheres. There are 41 faculties in MSU. People study there for 6 years. As a school graduate, you have a lot of options. Which one to choose depends only on you. What would you choose? To enter university or to start your career? What country would you like to study in? Now, let's have a closer look at some words that help us when we talk about education. Try to guess their meaning. 1. Reply. Answer. 2. Graduate. Finish a school or university. 3. Be founded. Opened for the first time. 4. Survive. Stay alive despite anything. 5. Wealthy. Very rich. 6. Attract. To catch someone's attention. 7. Leading. Main.